to KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you how to make this amazingly easy Yorkshire pudding breakfast bake. Don't have to have it for breakfast, but it's amazing. You're going to need all of this stuff, and there'll be a full list of all ingredients right at the end of the video. Alright, let's just get on with it. Here I've got 5 eggs. I'm going to make combine that with a cup of milk and about 1/3 of a cup's worth of flour. Alright, so we're just going to give all of that a bit of a mixy mix, just like that, and basically that's our Yorkshire pudding mix. Alright, pretty simple. Okay, so try to get some of the lumps out if you possibly can, and we're going to set that aside and get ready for our next step. Here I've got a baking dish. I've put a little bit of oil down on the bottom, and I'm going to add in some sausages. Now if you want to keep this one for breakfast, buy some breakfast sausages. I've actually got some really nice Shiraz and beef sausages that I found, and I thought, well, that could be pork, that could be beef, that can be whatever you want. We're just going to put those in our baking dish like that, and I'm going to add in about 5 portobello mushrooms, whole. We've made sure they're nice and clean over the top, so we've given them a little bit of a wipe over with a damp cloth, and we're just going to arrange those like that. That is going in the oven, 200 degrees, 15 minutes. They've come out with a little bit more oil over the top. That oil is going to seep down to the bottom. We're going to start adding in about 5 or 6 rashers of bacon, and I'll leave that up to you as to how much bacon you want to put in, but there is a full list of all the ingredients, as I said, at the end of the video. Right, that's going to go in for another 10 minutes, and it's going to come out looking something like that. Yum. That bacon smell is just amazing coming off. We're going to start adding in our Yorkshire pudding mixture straight over the top, and if you look carefully, you'll actually see that starting to bubble up just like a normal Yorkshire pudding. And now, Yorkshire pudding is not a real Australian thing, so why don't you try it? Okay, so just pour that all over the top, just like that. It's going to fill up all the nooks and crannies between the sausages, the bacon, and the mushrooms. We're going to add in around about 250 grams worth of some nice little cherry tomatoes. They can go over the top. Want some English breakfast for that? A couple of roasted tomatoes. Right, just put those over there just like that, and we're going to put that back into the oven for about another 15 minutes, again 200 degrees, until it is set, and it should come out looking something like that. Look how that Yorkshire pudding has absolutely fluffed up and looks absolutely amazing. And just for a bit of healthiness, we're going to sprinkle over a few baby spinach leaves as well. All we have to do now is just cut that up and serve that up into individual bowls or plates for everyone to try and eat. Love to see you try and make this one at home. It is easy and the flavors are incredible. Thank you so much for watching this video. Really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button. It gives me confidence. It should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Hit that notification bell. You'll be notified every time a new video goes up. Don't forget to share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. We are trying to get the name of KP's Kingdom out there. Please leave a comment. Love reading, love responding to them. In the meantime, if you want to learn how to make something a little bit fusion just like this one, we need to come and join the family. My family, hit that subscribe button. You'll never miss another one of my videos again. I'm off to eat my Yorkshire pudding sausage breakfast bake, and I will catch you next time. Bye.